Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay using your credit card. How do you actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Airbnb app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Airbnb app. Then click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Account Settings. Then click on Payments in the middle hand side. Then click on Payment Methods. Then click on Add Payment Method. Next, click on Credit or Debit Card. And then click on Next. And then simply follow the on-screen prompts to enter your credit card information, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.